was the fortunate
Give
one.
me your money!
Good morning.
It was such a nice doggy.
Oh, so cute. And don't you just look like Rapunzel with your hair?
I look like Maria Peralta. This is Maria Peralta.
Really?
Gave us like 20 bags of clothes because she was moving from huge palace to small tiny apartment. So unfortunately she couldn't have her clothes anymore. Therefore she gave them back, and I was the fortunate
Give
one.
me your money!
I guess it means that Sylvia's back. Today we have masterclass with a beautiful Anna from, where is she from? She's like a international citizen. Last 6 months she was living in Mexico. So yeah, she speaks so quick English, man. I'm surprised. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the beach today because yesterday we had lessons with Mago, Divo and Lagoon. So she managed, she's actually writing very well. I just gave her a few bits and bobs, a few tips how to manage those big expressive stallions. And today we are ready to go to the beach because this is what she was really about. She's dreaming about to have the ride on the stallion along the beach. So we're heading to the beach. Yeah, and then we need also to do beautiful. That's why we all are here, especially my Salinci, who is holding this phone, and I wanted to say Simonci, Sylvinci, who is making the plan how it's gonna.
Sylvinci.
And then look at the beautiful cathedral.
Wow.
I
The
love
people
it.
were like, why are you filming?
Why are you
us?"
filming? Yes, because I like this cathedral. I parked here once with the horse here at 7 a.m. and we did the shooting with cathedral. I think we should repeat that. That was amazing.
Ahora, aguanta la puerta. ¿Vale? Vámonos. Aguanta la puerta ahí, no tengo nada que tocar la puerta. No, dale el precio. No, dale el precio. Dale el precio. Que no el precio.
Tylko tak od boku raczej.
Ven, ven, ven. Ven. Tómate arriba la pica y coge los calzones.
Dobrze jest tam pokręt?
Dobrze, dobrze. Mhm.
Ahí, esta es la foto. Mira, esta es la foto.
Wow.
¿Plata esa foto? ¿La aguantas para ahorita? Sí. Ahí, esta la foto. Oiga.
Jak fajnie już tam dostałem mi stał w jedną stronę, go pogłaskałam, przecież on się odwrócił tak fajnie do mnie.
So nice.
So nice, so happy.
That's what she wanted. Beach time.
A już odjechał bez kartaru.
Zajmujesz mniej doświadczony?
Hi guys! Surprise, surprise! We're again on the beach with Champagne and Hermes. Hermes is much more experienced, so he's helping his new buddy to become a pro, to become a professor for any circumstances. So we're having a very nice walk and gallop on the beach. The weather is great, although we've heard that it's gonna be very windy, maybe with rain and tormenta, and actually it's great. It's beautiful with clouds, as always is, because it's like all the time here in Sanlúcar. The weather is changing, but changing for good. So yeah, we are getting some experience. Hermes is great. We entered the water already, and so we're making this video before we're gonna sweat and get wet and the horses and manes and tails. So yeah, you can see their colors and how they are behaving and how they are. Third part with the most difficult elements, and I'm very happy that I can be here once again after a few years, and before with Zafiro doing Jambette and Spanish walk, now with Champagne teaching him everything from the very beginning. He's already very experienced, but we are getting to the Zafiro level, so everything about those elements and with the pictures, nice pictures with an environment like that, you can find in the third book of Spanish Riding School, available on my website.
Yeah. This is Champagne. He's 6 years old. Horse professor. Very bumper, very pretty, but not only pretty, but very smart as well. And unfortunately for me, fortunately for you, he's not male here. So, for perfect horse, there he is.
No to lepiej wyglądam w takim razie, jak jestem rozpikselizowana. Fiński internet zawodzie. No dobra Kuba, to ja kończę, bo chciałam ponagrywać dla Piotrka filmy.
No, come on, he likes you. He likes you, he won't do anything because he's a puppy. He's my puppy. Yes, Santa's great. The beach is great. We love beach.
Hello. Did you like? Did you have fun?
Yeah, look at the mane. It's so long already. He was such a tiny little boy when we bought him, and now look at him, all handsome. Yes? Last kisses?
Ale takie mamy jeszcze z takiej perspektywy.
Nie no, pięknie. A zobacz, jak teraz się puszczy jeszcze w drodze, idziemy sobie w kapeluszu z błyszczącym koniem. Hello again.
Hello again.
It will be a course how to enter the van with the horse. Okay?
Ucho drugie.
Ja ven por aquí.
The ear, Blanka. Ucho.
Great, the ear is great. Oh, poor thing. Mommy is so bad.
No, una zanahoria. Dale una zanahoria. y al otro. Corre. El otro lado. ¿Vamos para el Bien. Ahí, hola. Bien. Hola. Hola. Buen potro. Buen potro. Venga, ahora el otro. Vamos.
Czy nie? Czy ja?
Cuenta la
Mogę
puerta.
potrzymać drzwi?
Oh. Bueno, bueno. Otro lado. Otro lado. Bien.
All right.
Child
Yeah, he's like closing the horses, you know, like with his child.
Ridiculous, man.
Right.
Somehow it's working.
It's working very well.
Yeah.
Venga.
She will be probably a better rider than I am.
I like her little bell.
Yeah.
Yeah, very smart.
Yeah. She knows where the sheep is going
Right?
everywhere,
Yeah.
all the time.
All right, see you at the stables.
See you at the stables.
Vale, arranca. Vámonos.
Bien. Oh, you need to do it like.
Like how?
Yeah.
You have to do
And then like.
and like
No, like left and right and then like that and then like from up and then
like
and then,
pew
down,
pew and then like
and then with this.
very.
Very important. This is Sylvia's daughter there.
No dobra, i tutaj jeszcze masz, że przedłużasz ten czas, jak koń ma wargę do góry, nie? Tutaj piszesz o tym, że czasem niektóre konie po prostu szybko opuszczają tą wargę i chodzi o to, żebyś tym
Okay, hello guys, welcome to our online courses how to do magic tricks. So today's episode is gonna be dedicated to smiling because as you know, it is much easier to live life when you're smiling